Namaskar. Jai Shri Mataji.
Ishmati, should we start? Hello, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning meditation. Jai Shri Mataji, everybody. Pray to Mother. Mother, please enable us to have thoughtless awareness. We all innocent children of the Europe collectivity and other countries collectivity, world collectivity. Mother, please bless us. Thoughtless awareness for the morning meditation. We all bow down and take Bandhan. We all say collectively the three Maha Mantra. Om Tameva Shaksha Shri Mahalakshmi Maha Saraswati Maha Kali Trigunaत्मिका Kundalini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah Om Tamiv Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah Om Tamiv Sakshat Shri Kalki Sakshat Shri Sahasrar Swamini Moksha Pradayini Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shri Ganesh Mantra. Om Tamiva Sakshat Shri Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Pray to Mother, keeping attention on Sahasrara. Shri Mataji, please come in our heart, come in our attention, and enable all your innocent children of the world collectivity to give us, enable us to have thoughtless awareness. Shri Mataji, please come in our heart, come in our attention, and in our Sahasrara. Now keep your left hand toward Mother Altar Right hand to the Mother Earth. Keeping attention on Sahasrara, we all pray collectively, Mother, please clean and clear our left channel to the Mother Earth. Shri Mataji, please clean and clear of the whole collectivity of the universe, our left channel. Through the Mother Earth, say the mantra, Shri Mahakali, Shri Bhairavnath Shakshat. ओम तमेव साक्षात श्री महाकाली साक्षात श्री भैरवनाथ साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः श्री माता जी प्लीज एस्टैब्लिश श्री महाकाली and Shri Bhairavnath principle to the whole collectivity of the Europe and all other countries. Mother, please clean and clear our left channel of the world collectivity. Now right hand to our mother altar, left hand to sky. Pray to Mother, keeping attention on Sahasrara. Shri Mataji, please clean and clear our right channel. Mother, please clean and clear the whole collectivity of the whole world. Mother, please cool down our attention. Give us coolness of Himalaya and the moon over our attention. Make our attention steady on your lotus feet. Mother, we take the mantra Shri Maha Saraswati, Shri Hanumana Shaksha. Om Tamiva Shakshat Shri Maha Saraswati Shakshat Shri Hanumana Shakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Shrimataji. Please establish Shri Maha Saraswati and Shri Hanumana principle on our right channel and clean and clear our right channel of the collectivity. Thank you, Mother. Now keep your both hands toward the Mother Earth. Mother, please clean and clear our all the 7 chakras and 3 nadis. Through the Mother Earth, Shri Mataji, Mother, you are our sustenance. You give us food and shelter. Mother, please give us gravity, humbleness, and non-reactive nature. Shri Adi Bhumi Devi Sakshat. Om Tame Sakshat Shri Adi Bhumi Devi Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namah. Mother, you have given us the Ganesha. Please establish Shri Ganesha principle. Keep your left hand toward Mother, altar, right hand to the Mother Earth. We all collectively will say Ganesha Tav Shisha, keeping attention on Shastra. Om Namaste Ganapate Tameva Pratyaksham Tatvamasi Tameva Kevalam Kartasi Tameva Kevalam Kartasi Tameva Kevalam Hartasi Tameva Sarvam Khalividam Brahmasi Tam Sakshat Atmasi Nityam ऋतं वच्मि सत्यं वच्मि अवतमम् अवक्तारम् अविश्रोतारम् अवधातारम् अवधातारम् अवानुचानमवशिष्यम् अवपश्चातात् अवपुरस्तात् अवोत्तरातात् अवदक्षिणातात् अवचौदवातात् अवद्रातात् सर्वतो मा पाहि पाहि समन्तात् त्वं वाङ्मस्वं चिन्मय त्वं आनन्दमस्वं ब्रह्ममय त्वं सच्चिदानन्दादित्योऽसि त्वं प्रत्यक्षं ब्रह्मासि त्वं ज्ञानमयो विज्ञानमयोऽसि सर्वं जगदिदं ततो जायते सर्वं जगदिदं ततस्थिति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वयैलयमिष्यति सर्वं जगदिदं त्वये प्रत्येति त्वं भूमिरापो नीलो अनिलो नभः त्वं चत्वारि वाक्पदानि त्वं गुणत्रयातीतः त्वं देशत्रयातीतः त्वं कालत्रयातीतः त्वं मूलाधारस्थितोऽसि नित्यं त्वं शक्तित्रयात्मिका त्वं योगिनो ध्यायन्ति नित्यं त्वं ब्रह्मा त्वं विष्णुस्तं रुद्रस्तं इन्द्रस्तं अग्निस्तं वायुस्तं सूर्यस्तं चन्द्रमास्तं ब्रह्म भूर्भुवः गणादि पूर्वमुच्चार्य वर्णादि तदनन्तरम् अनुस्वारा परितरा हरिदेन्दुलसितं हारेण रिदम् एतत् मनुष्यरूपं गकाराय पूर्वरूपम् अकारो मध्यमरूपम् अनुस्वाराय शान्तरूपम् बिन्दुरुद्रं रूपं नान्दाय सन्दानं सहिता सन्धि शेषा गणेश विद्या गणक ऋषि नृत्येन्द्र गायत्री चंदा गणपति देवता ओम श्री गणपति नमः एकदंताय विद्महे वक्रतुंडाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात् एकदन्तं चतुर्हस्तं पाशिमं कुशधारिणं ऋजं च वर्धं हस्ते विभ्राणं मुष्कध्वजं रक्तं लम्बोदरं शूर्पकर्णकं रक्तवाससं रक्तगन्धानुलिप्ताङ्गं रक्तपुष्पे सुपूजितं भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणमुच्यतम् आर्वीभूतं च श्रेष्ठादौ प्रकृते पुरुषार्थप्रं एवं ध्यायन्ति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वर नमो बृहस्पते नमो गणपते नमो प्रणमतपते नमस्ते अस्तु लंबोदराय एकदंताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्री वर्धमूर्ते नमो नमः साक्षात् श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। Mother, please establish Shri Ganesha innocence, make us innocent, give us chastity, give us wisdom, complete attachment to our spirit, away from all illusion and delusion. Give us pure desire like Shri Ganesha. Now right hand toward Mother Altar, left hand to the Mother Earth. Shri Ganesh Kartike Namo Namah. ओम तमेव साक्षात श्री गणेश कार्तिकेय नमो नमः 4 टाइम ओम श्री गणेश कार्तिकेय नमो नमः 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 साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता दी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। Mother, you have given us the Ganesha, you have given us the Kartikeya. Please destroy all demon tendency, all demon instinct within us, and give us Shri Ganesha complete dedication to Mother Lotus Feet. Mother, please establish Ganesha principle within us, so that we should be always at Mother patronage. The whole collectivity should be under the Mother patronage. Thank you, Mother. Both hands on your lap. Fourth petal of Shri Ganesha. And we say the mantra Shri Kundalani Gauri Ganesha. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Kundalani Ma Sakshat Shri Gauri Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah 4 times. Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Kundalini Ma Sakshat Shri Gauri Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah Om Tamev Sakshat Shri Kundalini Ma Sakshat Shri Gauri Ganesh Sakshat श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। ओम तमेव साक्षात् श्री कुंडलिनी माँ साक्षात् श्री गौरी गणेश साक्षात् श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देवी नमो। Mother, hey Kundalini Ma and Shri Gauri Ganesh, please come in our every chakra, establish your all the qualities of Shri Ganesha on our every chakra, along with Ma, and attach us with the Param Chaitanya on our chakra. Right hand on your center nabi, Shri Shri Narayani Vishnu Namo Namo. Om Tame Vai Sakshat Shri Narayani Vishnu Namo Namo. Shri Lakshmi Vishnu Namo Namo. Om Tame Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Vishnu Namo Namo. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namo. Shri Lakshmi Ganesh Sakshat. Om Tame Sakshat Shri Lakshmi Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namo. Mother, please give us complete satisfaction. Make us generous. Now keep your right hand on your center Swadhisthana. Shri Brahmdeva Saraswati Sakshat. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Brahmdeva Saraswati Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Sarv Tattva Swamini. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Swarav Tattva Swamini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Now keep your right hand on your void and pray to Mother, keeping attention on Sahasrara. Mother, please establish Guru principle within us. Make us our own Guru. We'll say here Guru Stuti, keeping attention on Sahasrara. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahm, Shri Mata Ji Nirmal Ma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namo. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahm, Shri Mataji Nirmal Ma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namo. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parbrahma, Shri Mataji Nirmal Ma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namo. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Mother, please make us our own Guru and destroy the effect of all false Guru on our void. Right hand on your center heart. Shri Ma Jagdamba Sakshat. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Ma Jagdamba Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namaha. Shri Mataji, pray to Mataji, keeping attention on Sahasrara Mother. Please come in our heart, enlighten our spirit, and establish your lotus feet within our heart. Keep our right hand on the left heart. Shri Mataji, please establish love for everybody. Mother, I'm not father, I'm not son, I'm not daughter, I'm not anybody's friend. I'm the spirit. Give me the joy of the spirit so that I love the whole world. We have got no doubt about the death. No ego and superego. Give us the joy of the spirit and make us free at last. Keep your left hand on your right heart. Mother, verily, you have given us the Sri Rama within us. Please establish Sri Rama principle within our heart. Keep right hand on your central heart, left hand toward Mother altar. You say Ma Jagdamba 12 times. Ma at the Sastrara and Jagadamba Jagadamba at the central heart. First we will inhale, take deep breath. We'll say Ma at the Sastrara and then slowly we'll come down to our central heart and exhale and say Ma Jagadamba Jagadamba 12 times. 4 times each, 3 times we will repeat this. Take deep breath. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Relax. Again take deep breath. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Exhale. Relax. Again deep breath. Ma Jagadamba 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 Jagadamba. Relax. Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo Namaha. Mother, please open our heart, make us fearless, give us the joy of the spirit. Center Vishuddhi, right hand on the center Vishuddhi. Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat. Om Tameeva Sakshat Shri Radha Krishna Sakshat श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी, श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः। श्री माता जी, really, you are the Radha Krishna, you are Adi Shakti. Mother, please give us witness state. We'll say here 5 Virata mantra. First, Shri Graha Lakshmi Kuber Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Graha Lakshmi Kabir Virata Namo Namah. Shri Brahm Deva Vittal Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Brahm Deva Vittal Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shri Vishnu Maya Vittal Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Vishnu Maya Vittal Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Shri Rukmani Vittal Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Rukmani Vittal Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Shri Radha Krishna Vittal Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Radha Krishna Vittal Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Shri Niranand Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji Shri Niranand Shri Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mata Ji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Shri Niranand Vittal Virata. Om Tami Vaishakshat Shri Niranand Vittal Virata Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Mother, only you are the Niranand. Give us witness state. We should see the world as a drama. You are the Virata, and you are the our collective being. Make us collective, make all the collectivity of the world, clear the Vishuddhi Chakra of the collectivity of the world, and give us the witness state. Right hand on the center, which on the Agya, right hand on your Agya Chakra, Shri Jesus Mother Mary Sakshat. Om Tami Sakshat Shri Jesus Mother Mary Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Once again, Om Tami Sakshat Shri Jesus Mother Mary Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo Namah. Keep your index finger on your Hamsa Chakra, that is between your two eyebrows. Shri Hamsa Chakra Swamini. Om Tami Sakshat Shri Hamsa Chakra Swamini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devi Namo. Right hand on the back Agya, anti-clockwise Shri Mahaganesh Namo Namo. Om Tami Sakshat Shri Mahaganesh Namo Namo. साक्षात श्री आदि शक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवई नमो। श्री माता जी, knowingly, unknowingly, any mistake committed by us or by our forefather or by any sage yogi of the world, please pardon them and pardon us. Now we say Kadish Rudra 11 name Shri Mahabuddha Namo Namo. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahabuddha Namo Namo. Mahavira. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahavira Namo Namo. Shri Maha-Jesus. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Maha-Jesus Namo. Shri Mahashiv Shakti. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahashiv Shakti Namo Namah. Shri Mahakartikeya. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahakartikeya Namo Namah. Mahalakshmi Narayan. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Mahalakshmi Narayan Namo Namah. Shri Maha Brahmdeva Saraswati. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Maha Brahmdeva Saraswati Namo Namah. Shri Maha Hanuman. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Maha Hanumana Namo Namah. Shri Maha Bhairava Namo Namah. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Maha Bhairava Namo Namah. Sakshat Shri Ekadash Rudra Swamini Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo. Mother, clean and clear with all your Rudra power, with all the negativity of the collectivity of the universe, and establish your lotus feet on our Sahasrara. Shiv Mataji, with all your Rudra power, please clean and clear the world collectivity and establish peace within us. Give us the joy of the Spirit so that we love the whole world. Attention on Sahasrara. At the Sahasrara, take the mantra of the Parashakti Sakshat. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Parashakti Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo. Shri Ardhamatra Namo Namo. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Ardhamatra Namo Namo. Shri Ardhabindu Namo. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Ardhabindu Namo Namo. Shri Sadashiv. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Sadashiva Namo Namah. Shri Adi Shakti. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Namo Namah. Shri Par Brahma. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Par Brahma Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo. Shri Nirvikalpa. Om Tameva Sakshat Shri Nirvikalpa Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devai Namo. Mother, Always keep our attention at your lotus feet. You are the Nirvikalpa. Please bless the whole universe collectively. Your divine bliss and give us complete thoughtless and attachment to your lotus feet. In a few minutes, silently meditate at your above your sahasrara, just at the lotus feet of Mother. Say to Mother, please give us witness state and Nirvikalpa state. We will listen to Mother talk, keeping attention on Sahasrara.
So the basis or the essence of the Swadhisthana chakra, though is aesthetics, the force and the energy of Swadhisthana chakra is attention. If you have a wobbly attention, if your attention is 1 minute here, 1 minute there, if you have an attention by which you just can criticize others and cannot see your own faults, if you have an attention by which you show people that you are a frivolous, nonsensical person, then your Guru principle is wasted. It is the effort of Sahaja Yoga that is wasted, and your Guru's job is also wasted. Minimum of minimum. First, the attention has to be pure. But pure attention doesn't mean harshness. It doesn't mean asceticism. It doesn't mean disciplining your eyes like a blinkers of horse. But in all freedom, your attention to be concentrated. Where do we pay our attention the most? If we are honest, we can think on human level, we pay our attention to our children, to our wife, to our husbands, to our family, the relationships which are with love. So, when your attention has got the compassion and the love for another person, then only you can work out the realization of others. If you have to work out the realization of others, it has to be an intense love for another person. If you don't have that intensity, you are just moving your hands, raising the Kundalini because your mother has given you powers and it's finished off. That intensity of love can only give you success with your pure attention, and I think the pure attention can only love. Impure attention cannot love, because all impure attention is self-oriented, I-oriented. They are not self in the sense spiritual-oriented. But the idea that spirituality is love, it seems to be a new idea for many people. They think spirituality means a person who is just absolutely dry like a beanstalk, and nobody can go near that person, nobody can communicate with such a person because that person is too pure. If the soap cannot cleanse your body, what's the use of having the soap? If the soap is afraid to come near you, then it's better not to be called as soap. So, we come to the point that the creativity, if it is our aim, lakshya, for that the attention we should purify. And to be purified with love, with compassion. And the same attention, when it is filled with love and compassion, it gives you dynamism, it gives you strength, it's untiring zeal you get. And the joy of seeing your reflection into another person is very beautiful. No words can describe it. Actually, when you give realization to another person, what you try to see is your image in that person. As if out of an ordinary glass, you are making it into a beautiful mirror. And then you want to see that. That is how you create. You create your own reflections, and through the cleansing of the reflectors, once you understand that without creativity, this Guru Puja is useless for you.
Thank you, Mother. Blessing us. We will silently meditate and try to imbibe Mother talks within us.